Welcome back to SetNFix. In today's video, I'll guide you through the installation and testing of a car image system unit that enhances your driving experience with multiple camera views. This is the car image system unit. At first glance, the box might look simple and even a bit cheap. But remember, what truly matters is the quality of the product it delivers. So, let's dive in, open the box, and check out what's inside. When you open the box, the first thing you'll see is the car image system unit, followed by the user manual. The user manual is crucial in this case, as it provides detailed wiring instructions. Be sure to read and understand the manual thoroughly before attempting to install the unit. Now, let's dive into the main part of this unit. There are a lot of wires and connectors, so let's take a closer look at each one. The wires are divided into two sections. One side has all the connectors, while the other side has the input wires. Starting with the connectors, this green connector is for the right side camera. The blue connector is for the front camera. The white connector is for the reverse camera. And finally, the yellow connector is for the left side camera. Now that we've identified them, let's move on to the next step. Now, if we look at the other side of the unit, here's what we find. This is the video output connector. This is the power supply wire for the unit. The black wire is for grounding, and the red wire connects to the vehicle's accessory wire. Moving on, there are 4 camera activation wires. The blue wire connects to the brake light. The white wire connects to the reverse bulb indicator. The yellow wire connects to the left side signal bulb. And finally, the green wire connects to the right side signal bulb. With this setup, you're ready to move forward with the installation. If you look carefully, you'll notice a separate wire coming from the video output connector. This small red wire is designed to activate the display. However, since my intention is to integrate this system with the car's existing stereo unit, I can connect it to the back wire of the stereo. To ensure the cameras function properly, there must be a continuous 12-volt supply from this wire whenever power is supplied to the 4 cameras. Keep in mind, signal lights don't stay on continuously, they flash on and off. However, the 12-volt supply to the display needs to be steady to keep the video feed uninterrupted. This time, I'm going to check the power output when connecting the signal lights, brake, and reverse wires. To test this, I'll use an LED bulb instead of a monitor. First, I'll connect the reverse wire to 12 volts. You can see the LED lights up, indicating the connection. Next, I'll connect the blue wire, which is meant for the brake light. As you can see, the LED turns on. Now, let's test the yellow and green wires, which are used for the left and right signal bulbs. Again, the LED lights up as expected. This confirms that the output wire provides a 12-volt supply whenever any of these 4 wires are connected to 12 volts. Before installing the unit, let's test it using this MP5 player. As usual, start by connecting the battery wire and the accessories wire to provide power, and connect the black wire to ground. Next, locate the red wire from the video output cable and connect it to the back wire of your stereo system. As you know, the back wire is used to activate the reverse camera. Then, connect the video output cable to the reverse camera connector of your car stereo. Since I only have 2 cameras available, I'll start by testing the rear and front video feeds. Let's start by connecting the reverse camera. Use the white connector and supply power to the camera. Once connected, you can see the reverse camera video feed. Next is the front camera, which uses the blue connector. To activate it, connect the blue wire to the brake light, and the front view will appear on the display. The green and yellow connectors are for the left and right cameras. These activate automatically when you switch the corresponding turn signals. Now, I'm going to open the box to check the inside of the unit. It's quite tough to remove, so be careful not to damage the wires if you attempt this yourself. Once opened, you'll see the circuit board. It's fairly simple, with only a few components like diodes, capacitors, transistors, and resistors. This simplicity is a positive sign, as it makes the unit easier to repair if needed. After inspecting, I installed the unit in my vehicle. Since I couldn't find a front camera, I installed left, right, and reverse cameras. When installing, remember to first remove the reverse guide from your car stereo system and disable any auto-switching between reverse and front views, if available. Now, let's test the installation. When I shift into reverse gear, the reverse camera video activates. When I switch the left turn signal, the left side camera turns on. Similarly, when I activate the right turn signal, the right side camera displays its video feed. The system is working perfectly. And that's it. The installation is complete, and the system is functioning as expected. This setup provides a seamless and reliable view from all cameras, ensuring enhanced safety and convenience while driving. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more innovative solutions. Be innovative, stay with SetNFix.